Hi, welcome to MacBook Air Tips and Tricks for Teachers. Now that you have your brand new Mac, we're going to show you some really cool things that you can do with it to make teaching and working in the digital world a little bit easier for you. So let's get started. How to add emojis to text on your Mac. Well, many of us text using emojis, and your students are no different. So you can add emojis anywhere that you can input text, online and offline, by clicking Control, Command, and the space bar at the same time. When you do that, you will see a palette of emojis to choose from. Click and drag the emoji into your document or text box, and there you go. Super easy. How about using the split screen on your Mac? Have you heard of split screen? How many times have you had to move from screen to screen, moving one in and out of the other one, because you're working on two entirely different windows? Well, now you can split your screen and look at two windows at the same time. First, be sure that you have at least two windows open on your Mac. I have like 10 all the time, so. Click and hold the green circle on one of the windows. When you do that, you're going to see the left side of your screen highlight, and drag that window over and then let go of the mouse. Next, on the right side, choose the window that you would like to be displayed. Awesome! You can even make one side larger or smaller by sliding the center line to the right or to the left of the screen. When you are finished using the split screen, click in the top left corner and click the green circle again. And now you will still have that other window open, so push F3, gather all the windows together, and click on the X for that other window that's still open. And now one window's left and you're all set again. Pretty cool. Customize your menu bar. Some people like to do this. To customize your menu bar in the top right, hold down Command. You can click any of those menu icons and you can move them around. You can move them around to your liking. You move your name over, you can move your battery over, whatever you like to do. Copy, paste. Copy and paste is super easy. If you've been on a PC, it's very similar to the PC. So highlight the text or image that you want to copy, and you're going to push Command C to copy. When you want to put it on a different document, it's Command V to paste. Command C copy, Command V paste. Zooming in. I love zooming in. To zoom in on a particular part of the screen, hold down the command, the option, and the plus sign, and that will make the screen get bigger. You keep holding it, keep pushing it down, and it'll get bigger and bigger and bigger. To zoom out, it's option, command, minus sign. Same effect. It'll start to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay. All right, we've saved the best for last. Screenshots. To take a screenshot of the entire screen, you hold the Shift, Command, and hit the 3. You're going to hear a little camera sound, and that image is going to go to your desktop. Now, what if I don't want the whole screen? I want to select a certain portion of my screen. Then you're going to hit Shift, Command, 4. When you do that, then you're going to get some little crosshairs, and now you can drag a box around whatever it is that you want to get a screenshot of. And again, where do those screenshots live? If you look at my desktop here, they are right here on my desktop for easy finding. Great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.